Here is a video tutorial on custom ROM installation. Hi there. In this video, I am going to show you how to install a custom ROM on your Android device. First, let us talk about what a custom ROM is. A custom ROM is a modified version of the Android operating system that can offer additional features, improved performance, and greater customization options. Before you begin, it is important to note that installing a custom ROM can void your device's warranty and may cause data loss or other issues. So be sure to back up your data and proceed at your own risk. With that said, let us get started. Displays a custom ROM download page. The first step is to download the custom ROM you want to install. There are many custom ROMs available online, so be sure to do your research and find one that is compatible with your device. Once you have downloaded the custom ROM, transfer it to your device's internal storage or SD card. Next, you will need to boot your device into recovery mode. This can usually be done by holding down a combination of buttons when starting up your device. The specific buttons and process may vary depending on your device, so be sure to look up the instructions for your particular device. Once you are in recovery mode, select Install or Install from SD card, depending on where you saved the custom ROM file. Presenter selects the custom ROM file and installs it. Follow the prompts to install the custom ROM. This may take several minutes, so be patient and do not interrupt the process. Once the installation is complete, select Reboot or Reboot System Now to restart your device. That is it. You have successfully installed a custom ROM on your Android device. Keep in mind that you may need to reinstall any apps or data that was wiped during the installation process. Additionally, some custom ROMs may require additional steps or configurations, so be sure to read the instructions carefully and do your research. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.